Hi friends, welcome to Houdini Python series. So today we will be looking at a custom Python node. Till now we have written our code inside the shelf by right clicking with a new tool. Okay, but now we will be making our uh, like a node, a custom node where we can write our scripts and execute it. Okay, so let's check. We will be doing it on a subnet. We can do it on anything, but by doing it on a subnet, we can even um, convert it into an HTA. Okay, so this is a normal subnet. We will right click, type properties. Okay, uh, we will save the subnet first as right click, create digital asset. Okay, it will ask where to save and all. So I will write it as custom Python node. Okay. This will be saved inside your documents. So we will select this folder in a parameter tab. It will show us existing parameters, which is transform and subnet. So we don't need this. So there is option for invisible, making it invisible. Apply it. Okay. Then yeah, it's okay. Then the first thing we will be needed is string. This is to write our code, but we won't be writing only one line commands. We want multi-line commands. So I will checkbox this multi-line string and change the language from none to Python. Okay. We will change the label name to code and the name to code in small letters. Okay. There is button for execution. We will click and the code will be executed. Okay. Apply it. We will write a simple print function for now. Welcome to good. Okay. I will duplicate this. We will see if something breaks or we need to see some other example. At that time it will be useful. Okay. Applied it. Now we will write our code, which is from the who module who dot pwd, which is present working directory, or we can even consider it as a node. Okay. Then we will use Houdini module, which is denoted as HM brackets. Then we will give our custom function name, which we will be going to create. Okay, so that will be executor with quarks and apply. We will copy the last thing, which is our custom function name, and we will go to the script tab. There is event handler. where we will change from custom script to Python module. Okay. As we make our function, we will do the same thing by selecting our node, the same process. We want to know the present node which we are working. So it will be who.pwd. Then we need to execute it. So node.parameter. We have made the parameter for coding. The name is code in small letters. Then we need to evaluate what's written. So we are using the eval function. It's eval, all in small, and apply. Okay. We will open the Python shell and try to execute it. Start working. Let's check by debugging it. What's the node name? We will go through this. Apply it. Yeah, it's writing the node name. Now, I guess it should work. Yeah, it's working properly. We can remove this and check. It's printing the whole thing. For that, we will be using our execute function. And let's try this. Yeah. So now what we did, this is the important function from Python in the whole the command. Like we are using it as an interpreter. So for that we are using this command, and the this one is node who dot current node. Then the parameter name, which is code, and we have to evaluate. So eval. Okay, that's it. So this is one of the way so which we can do the um, like coding. We can make this as an interpreter, custom Python node. Okay. The second way will be normal. It's halfway same. So I will go fast now with null. I will go to edit parameter interface. Here I will make all the tabs invisible. Then I will create a string, make it multi-line, change the language to Python, change the label to code and name to code. Okay, apply it. Then I will add a button where I will write execute. Okay, then apply. In null, if we do it, Like the second way is very simple. Here we will be using who dot present working directory. Okay, the parameter name, which is code. You can see this. Okay, then we will do the same evaluation function eval. Then we will pack this whole thing inside a bracket and use execute function. Okay, and we will apply it. If now I type print uh, Houdini 80, for example. Okay, so it will work. So both of the way are correct. This way, in this way, if we do, here we can write multiple commands. Okay, and in this way, it's like we have to, like we are doing the thing in one line code. Okay, and the rest will be done inside this interpreter only, right? So both the way is correct. Whichever is okay to you, you can use it, and you can even save this if you are using null to this. I will delete this and write as Python node. Okay, so it will be saved, and in this case, I will just do match current definition, and it should come here custom Python node. Okay, thank you. Hope it was making sense and useful to everyone.